Hello. I'm back with another cuts knife. This is the Karambit, and it's the Karambit Slaughter. The price is $10.99 right now. It was actually $29.99. It's on sale for $10.99, and they are buy one get one free as of now. That nice little cuts box, cuts.com, cuts.com. Plastic, nice little box there, comes wrapped in plastic for you. So fairly heavy duty. It's 109 grams, or about 3.84 ounces. Let's have the little loop here, lanyard, whatever you want to call it, neck strap. Again, this is the Slaughter version. As you can see, it has the red, which actually continues on to the blade. It's in the sheath, which is actually fairly hard to get off. As you can see, I was struggling with it there. And the blades do come, they are sharpened. I was surprised. I took a nice hunk of my skin off. Didn't think they were actually going to be that sharp. Lots of times you get knives and they're not really sharp. But here's the sheath here. It's just plastic, yes. It does a very good job of protecting the knife and protecting you, of course. And as you can see, the handle has a little, I'm not sure which one to call that, but it fits into the notch here, obviously, and locks into place. And it's very secure locking there. The handle is ABS, and as you can see, it has finger grips for you there for the Karambit. However you want to, however you want to hold it. But we do have the finger grips there. Have a nice pommel striker on the back. I guess that's a pommel. I mean, so what it would be on a sword or something like that. But this is kind of different because it has the ring on there. And here is the there's a thumb rest there as well for you, so you can hold it like so. Very, very nicely made. I'm surprised for $11 what this is. 19.5 centimeters in total length, about that. Obviously the knives vary in length for the most part, but it does, the theme of the Slaughter theme here continues all the way to the ring at the back. Again, from Cuts Knives, it's $10.99. Buy one get one free on their site right now. Nice knife, I think. Seems very quality made. Thanks.